Oh, Kosovo. Aha. And Sroma. Adom TV. Oh, Mohwa FM. In fact, most of them some be mama. Hey, Nana so there. I said, I him on for not do super. And then the two say traditionally jump papa. Charlie, another big round of applause. Momo some pa. Aha. Yeah, Mamunina, aha, Esan Emma Munina Akwaba, Eba Adom TV so. And then every year they call a numerary, Yasan Shem Biwa, na and Soma Dumedienti and Yeshemu. We and Soma season 4, and I yet ebro. Na Yasha say, a check a cra, you guswa, ye pimco anymore. As I say, baby, I do know. And Chebia, not yet the Jumediano ever bury it. Na Yashe, why any ever crowned as champion for Ensroma season 4. Mofrana akana omu nyina bɔ momɔden ye pa. Opia ya de pa. Mi chese unyi otwe no yi adoa. Nanso ɛyɛ den a ɛyɛ competition. Ɔbaako for pɛ ɛna ebetimi ayi no sɛ ɔno ɛna ɛyɛ the ultimate winner no ankasa. Na sɛ ɛbɛyɛ wo contestant ana ɛbɛyɛ asem asidie no ne nyinaa so no ɛfa egyina mo so. Eti voting no de very necessary. Sɛ de bia meka no no. Ɛsa breni abri nyinaa no okoswa na oto ema o favorite contestant no na ono so atimi aka competition no emu star 713 star 208 hash star 713 star 208 hash on all network bia used to be and just follow the prompt na e vote man and pendodo bia obetimi vote di ama sa contestant no na ono so atimi akonanim ewo dwumadi emu na samobeka ya last week no so no Kezia Adu and enya best performer abasobo no na ene or surprise kese de my pa. In fact, ene na nkasa no emofra no omo teki en. Hello? Aha. If you didn't do it bia na. And then kola no de ye kɔ a trip around Africa. Enti ye kɔ country ni omo nwom ba ko bia be fom ni ye kɔ country no omo nwom ba ko enti say African music papa. And then omo ede my na ohwe se de omo asiesie omo hu ne se de omo award na abuso na nwe de ampaya edwa badika ka cho da se omo mo aka de omo nyina ya de pa obi e bo no modern de aka na no so vote no eti pa cho sabre ya wote ya wo hwe mi eno mo so amu obi a moti TV hu amu hwe mi munyi mu phones ni na star 713 star 208 hash na mo follow prompt no na mo vote ma wom beya almost betimi akom anim ewo competition emu na enche bia no ye be mo aba stage ni so no ene omo e de ato animu nanso ansana meton sa afrom no yemfa eye sankrato emfi aboafo no nchen ye ba ya pe na ye dwumadi no ehye so Ensroma Adom TV ye ba sisi ya. All right, ya koya ya sign aba na ya toa dwumadi no eso. Ensroma Adom TV. Great. Ya da wase se otwen yen na ya jinka to kakra ebae. Na onso ebia na fe na wa join ya. Ya kai say we Ensroma season 4. Ene de bro e wo Adom TV so. Kwesi da nwumre bia no no nan pepepe na dwumadi ehihye so wo pese o kan ho a. Oba Fantasy Dome e wo ye Trade Fair Center ha. Obetimi aba be kan ho ni na di dwumadi ye to sa fru bia. Everyone is welcome. So ati ase yen yimu. Wo de an so bedu a 3 p.m. na che say ye hihye so a ntino no nan pepepe na ye dam e wo TV no eso. Na yama yen judges no akwaba na ye omunka hello kakra na fi. Yemfa competition no enhye so. Enti yenko yen judge akwabwa enchen akwa said the mafru bisa no say na yi no aha enti akwaba yeah say bibi aboko there
na mi adom boko
great na miss me here and then what expectation to say
beso pa in a sense see ye die mu a yenim see die mu but moving to Africa and the kind of songs I pese yet no na chese eno so enye omontu no bia nti me pese me hwe se anya bia omaho woden no so no ebedru ohonom an I'll be very very happy to see say omo eto ne santi expectations ne was kakra me bie maso yi pa.
All right. Yamon say my judge akwabwa. Now and then guest judge wabeka ye ho. Our very own Andy Dusty. Now bra pani so there we di nwum achi ache enti otenyum na obonwum na okanwum odi nwum eda nwum esan so enwum ho dae ti otenyum ase pa na wadi dwumadi enso achi. So far no Andy emofra yi kakra wa hwe no uhu omosen na enanwumre so den na wo hwe anim kwan.
Well, modern mona na mijidi ese ne enye bibi sron konkra. So they abribia 1 year no. Me de enye first time I met na any I'm so last year met na se na make a selection no.
Sure.
And that day me sure they will be impressed me pa.
All right. But your mom say man the Dusty. It's your favorite be adu no ekwan mu atene say your mama frane ba. Na one after the other. You share the omo edi mayen. Vote star 713 star 208 hash. Across all networks, ne follow prompt no, ne vote man as many times as you wish. Now a contestant no so etimi akọ n'animu yie. Now so one more thing, card bako. And sana ebe invite on my stage. Na de ubia ewono or de abrain no. If I surprise be ewo. It is our me men yet tinting. Me excuse me when I'm at stage and soon as what the ho. That's our surprise number. Ye be mu repe na fi ya share competition and say one after the other near who said the echo. And Soma Adom TV. All right, so just surprise no. Oh, bonsam kasepa. Bonsam. Boom. Oh my idea. And you better say, oh, Uncle, it is a ye pa. Me tea or monanza say, and some maybe walk around mate. So, but you me at my idea, pa. But one more time, yeah, I appreciate your mom, some mom. Aha. I feel the Drew so. I feel the Drew. Timon Kona mon catch my breath. Why not? Whom me and I course read them raffle. Yes, I know one cast I come teach you no fee. Watching from my day, I was so bad. And Soma, Adum TV. Yeah, fast like I said, Palma, almost said that is good. And Timankolan near Gonom Hunyefia, Omo better kick care of it. I feel Kellogg's. Breakfast time is Kellogg's time. Samsung Air Fast Dama, DBS, roofing, roofing, papa, if delay yogurt, or say more. I need more. As Samsung come out, Valido spices, and ma Adriane, de ankasa. You don't mean to say some kind of ewojumedi so. You go so aye ko yenimno aboafo aka no so ye de omo ho amane ebebo na wahu omo so jumedi a omo edi enimwa omo ede eboaem. Nemo sabre de ye go straight into action. Now you have your first contestant. Now the one of their brain. But let me once again remind you, say last week, KZ do and in your best performer Abasobono. They sent you all surprise mine. And then so after all the performances na bebano, you be best performer. Now why any be nyasa Abasobono. Remember if he said last week they say evicted contestants ni minu. And so and that day Kiane ebe baso. Obi nso benya best costume Abasobo no entini na no hwe animu kwan emom sabre de ye ko Zo Blazo by Freddie Mercury sanwom no anwum bi a utimi de sabu mu pa performing for us abusuan yemfa ensembo kese ani dede yopa and welcome me on stage Samuel Sam aka Sam Zig.
Hello, Western Region 4, Central Region 4, Metro Ghana man. I am one with this year. The son said, Sunday will be Biarantinas non shame. No word to mammy, son of a meeting my car canteen. It's honorable Abroso, Alaji Bawa, Mr. Edward, Papa Akon, Rivon Crodis, I will bogoso. If I was a Sunday, be our mamma way. Now dress me, come. Nana Atiakra, the Jura Banso. In a to mine, some to be Biarantinas non shame. No word to mammy, send a bear meeting my car canteen. Without myself, instrument, yes, sure. Juba!
Suba.
Hey. Are you? Asuma? Adum TV. And you better. Asana Ebeko judges from Pacho, Yamon Sema Akabli and the Whitechapel Band. In fact, I'm steady. I'm a shen your man a war one just a new piece. In fact, born some one more time for the band. Aha. Now for young court, your judges know. Akwawa.
Suba.
Thank you.
Thank you. That's saying.
Pastor Nyamiado.
Nice. Sisi Adam, who say, Debiano, you keep improving. Over stage, yeah. You are a friend stage fright. And go be performing. Sudden bit matata wama performance no kwa anka unhuso but I see say Sunday morning see and you perform with confidence but ade ba ko pe na make just say o perform I am woni so enwo enwum na wo to no so apart from say o sano what you say because it's a singing competition not a dancing competition nti why are there onwum no nyina e go come o costume mepe. But yeah, no more.
Thank you.
All right, yeah, call Andy Dosio.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All righty. Okay, Samuel. Akwa waka say what's an dancing competition? Menene nyadwe ho. Kopim say Freddie Mayweather on backstage or sa. He comes with too much energy and mepe. What's an too much? Thumbs up. Great one, me pepper. So we start to say what you know now. Oh, flat, your baby. Into ya no check his idea. So in case oh pick up and you na with uki no. And I did back so I had you say me who say oh to you na ya me wano. Ya be wano. Ni antia sem na oh to no. Why? But you've done very well. Yeah.
Thank you.
And yeah, na ya sana azwa antine mani baza no. And Suma. Adum TV. Some Zik. Ne ahusiesie no. Yvonne's clothing. Omo no mapam ahye no kama see. Omo ewo Bogoso Chapel Square. Yeah, twa Jumedi no so. And Suma. Adum TV. Right, your next contestant now Obano. Enyum awade ebre yen enyum a efi Angelique Kijo ewo na watunyu we agolo. Now performing for us. I wish you young fans symbol and welcoming on stage. Precious Imbre.
Hello, Ghana for a very numerous better and no ama miniaji. It's Mr. Mother phone na any Ghana phone na and move vote mammy. To see their competition, I had tofa. It's Mr. Musamu vote yamame. So I make me a queen or a kensium. Big Sham Yamanana or Duma the first, paramount queen mother of Goma Achimpem traditional area. Kaswa of our God in I was started the second and not him for phone now. Big Sham. Miami uncle Peter in Tiff R. more Bank of Ghana. And uncle Richard Mans R. more BR. Big Sham. Miami brother Patrick Donko. Big Sham. Skip Nation. Show my year straight. I didn't TV. I was doing
for Yaleni, if I fall Coco, I am much back by if I fall la papa, if I can't fool, if I can't fool, Morio, ala Jumacana, ala Jumacana, Morio, ala Jumacana, ala Jumacana. For Yaleni. coco, aye. I'm a sugar by if I put him back, power. If I bound for my if I bound for my
Oh, Bonsema Precious, Bonsema Precious. And your better, sir. Mamma, now you're in the whole day. No, and easy. Ever called Judges Rona? Yajomo comment. Andy.
Well, Precious,
Yes, Dad.
congratulations.
Thank you.
Yeah. Many ajipa kopim say new way ba for no na me DJ or nightclub na your boy new way microphone sa team in nyum ne pa. And watching you, oh, Nana Vechoska. Well deserving. Mesha wono e kai me niema bebre. Nipa na oto nyum no, oto nyum with ahotin. Eti me hwe the way I wo to nyum na esse no. Yeah, and I want ta de no fe.
Thank you.
Ade ba ko pe and a mepe so be ye ho adwuma. O timing and afi flatting no. Wahu. So wonya o key ni writer and one the wom say wo ba be wie ni finfinfin wa e ba be wie ni de. It was some point. Ebi a wo sha ase na na I am share kakra. But yo, you've done very well. Congrats.
Thank you.
All right, Yanko Akwabao.
Because you to a video. So, what video it's in my flat.
I hear you watch you.
I think the next time, the me bra penny cano, the beginning no. Na I was so kakra in the sense, I was saying, be abandoned able week kakra, say be a key now mobile be register, I want soon, and some wa pija agolo no. Unse bigger platforms no, your mouth in your monitor. The Yokos were true be an ote and son of a benimu. Be ready a winning into see a boss and as a also bomwa. Every man was she kick a grant. But next time, no, my band will be bigger grants and a wobble. But apart from that, no, send your car Angelique or strength and wording. But you performed, I like your costume, your voice, everything is on point. Why are you? Nice.
All right, Obefa, we need to right now. Almost semi precious. Nata de na eshene no efi Habil's Couture omo East Legon dringa no Villa David nhwe ni mu a omo anso na me de omo apam ahye me fefefe kama ye de omo ase yepa ye hwe dwumadi na ase me kan se ene de wo hwe ahemafo ne wa na atimi se full house ba omo doso na ye be try say ye betimi acknowledge omo to we de mo me break akra na ye na omo so edi ye wonana amwani ma the third ewa ha twefo kontihima and afi nso ye wo nana aba isaba the first enso ewa ha na emo akwaba sanso ena nana ya twumua the second enso eka ye ho ewa ha ena ye wo nana afriye the second ono so eka ye ho nana akosua the second enso ewa ha ena ye wo nana ankoma fra the first Sanso ena yewo nana ama ja the second enso ewa ha yewo eye nana ya bosio the second enso ewa ha ya bosio ena nana efua nuamba nso ɛwɔ ha saa nso ɛna yɛwɔ Nana Bomo the second ɛna yɛwɔ Nana Tua the second afe Nana Aso ɛna yɛwɔ Nana Efia Asanfoa the second enso ɛwɔ ha yɛwɔ ɛyɛ Nana Danso Otosi enso ɛwɔ ha aha ɔmo nyinaa efi ɛyɛ Twifo traditional council hɔ na ɔmo abɛka yɛn ho ɛwɔ ha eti yɛ ma mo nyinaa so akɔ aba yɛda mo ase ɛyɛ Timokwa aha ti yɛwɔ ɛyɛ Honorable Hakim Adan so ɛwɔ ha ɛyɛ NDC chairman ɛdema Twifo Atimokwa constituency aha ɔno so ɛka yɛn ho ɛwɔ ha yɛnya nteɛ sɛ Kezia Neja ɛno no all right yɛtoa dwumadie no so Ensroma Adom TV Ipatcho voting no *713*208# network bi a use bi a no Ipatcho oboti a ebekọ to ema aye very contestant no men no so na ontimi ka competition because baby edu no okono aye den pa enti yehu said their performances no ekọ omo mo aka no ye de omo de no etoa so right after that short enkratoi na fi ye de omo de no atoa so Ensroma ya basisi a Ensroma Adom TV yada mu nyina ase sɛ moje bre ɛman na yɛgye nkrato fi aboafo enchen asan aba ɛtoa dwumadi no ɛso yɛntoa menye tenten ye move straight into action na your next contestant no ɔno so de ɔno ɔde abrɛm na your next contestant no na tade a ɛhyɛ no no efficacious fashion ɔmo nankase ɔmo no mo asiesie no kama ɛnwom a ɔde brɛn ɛyɛ ada by Flavor yɛmfa ensemble kɛse pa and welcome you on stage Francisca Adom.
Hello Ghana for Mama Nimdada. Sisi ade si last week ni se bisi bioma me film. Enti me here vote. Me chia Nana enkumenkum a o ewukugwa. Me chia Honorable Potozo eni onana. Me chia Inshiaba nufo nyina. Me anya me ankasa papa prof dan mo nyina mo ntina se na mo vote ma. Super sufu na nkesefo obi asafo mo nyina mo ntina se na mo vote ma Ensroma yes.
Sugar.
Bouncem, 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 bouncem. Boom, 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 boom. Sikaya modi bay na kamu ya ni vote. Na kamu di voti, na mudi voti, na mudi voti. Sikaya modi bay na kamu den vote, 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 vote. No nya vote more. Aha. Ensroma. Adom TV. No Ukraine nyame anim ne ye bekọ judges no na emum. Anwum yi a Francisca to ye. Akwabwa de omu ne say ye the lyrics ne ma me ne kura me nsem say ya kura na. Still me ya emfa.
Emfa wo.
Enti mo nsem ma Francisca mo nsem ma no. Na fe yen court judges no na yenti quickly. Akwabwa.
Francisca wonderful.
Thank you.
When you're easy, share. When someone's wonderful,
and Cornin some slave sugu from.
Maybe not so good for one. A person you want to know. Oh, I had the attitude now, woman, with facial expression. Send you when you are ordered to know. As I said, now, can omini and our tiasi, and so you won't tias as of Nasi. What I say, but the way or two no, or call back and forth. Ne dressing me and why are they? Yamisha, what is? I did about open American show. So, what to Nasa Obetimua? Oh, and now the mic on Aquachi. Sabia, what Tiamua in distorted, and I ended the day. What is here? But then you know why are they? Yamisha, why are they? Why?
Great. Young call Andy.
Francisca.
Yes.
But what did you say?
7 years.
7. And I hear say contestants in Auna Usha.
Time.
But I'm mere monster being count. What there a movement on the stage? I'm saying my problem back up and opening kind. Otiamua na the mic na kwa echi kakra said e be ya sametiamu say ya ekwa echi na anye dede na nwo ya sum na megidi ye said e bre ekọ no obesua sad na kan nipa na obo onyum we no onyum bi one akola keto bi say ya ato na megidi ye say empanimfo so hwe de maka no de waso wontie.
All right, yeah, the Dusty I say. Ube hiya mwa kakra ho. Ewo osika sem no ho. Ode twem me boa na yasesa. Why? Yeah, acknowledge Sankofa traditional band. Sankofa traditional band. Mo se mom. Aha, omo ya de pa. Omo ewo nankese. Na fe so chief inspector Eyim JC. Asanso na Dr. Henry Nuete and so also Yamana Akwaba and a Prophet Daniel Tete of the Presbyterian Church also Yamau Akwaba. Twa Jumediano so your next contestant now Obano a new hour de Ebrayano a new if he a P square or more Efreno testimony. Now who's you know if he have bills couture. Abusia, you're welcome on stage. Daniel entry.
What's up, Ghana for? And then you made me church Bibiara. I need any African songs. It's Mr. Apostle Mama Bridget Ando, our HPS ministry, any HPS ministry for Nina. Reverend Benjamin Kwame Boachi, our Presbyterian Church of Ghana, any Presbyterian Church of Ghana, more Ghana for Nina. Yankasami headmaster, said Johnson Natopoku, our Poku Academy, any Poku Academy for Nina. Yankasami uncle Randy Dankwa. Our Adisadel Urban Health Center, any Adisadel Urban Health Center for Nina. Yankasami Auntie Felicia, Auntie Miriam, Yankasami Auntie Biomonso, Auntie Doreen, which also be in Yaman, I'm sure me. Yankasami Uncle Junior, which was a Boko Sanama good time, and I'm Yaman, I'm sure me, Madame Watson, instrument. Yes,
Quito. they gather the properties, no time, like a statue of liberty. Nobody knows tomorrow, so I'll be holding my destiny, yeah. I see me say I jump, some people they bubble, I continue the struggle, struggle to drop on my hustle, I see me say I jump, some people they bubble, I continue the struggle, them drop on my hustle, yeah. I'm giving my testimony, I'm killing them and I give them the heat, oh. I'm giving them everything, oh. I'm living my life for that chop of money. Hey, I don't testimony. I'm a testimony, testimony, testimony. I don't chop, I don't testimony. I don't testimony. I'm testimony, testimony, testimony. I don't chop, I don't testimony. I don't testimony. Hey, Jim, I can't chop money. Hey, it's good to be saving for rainy days. Cause you know it's here. Life is so delicate, though. So make you not see me as evidence. Baba God, now my confidence. His blessings are endless, though. I see you say I don't blow. Some people they won't blow. I continue the struggle, the struggle they drop on my hustle. I see you say I don't blow. Some people they won't blow. I continue the struggle, they drop on my hustle, yeah. I'm giving my testimony. I'm killing them, pretend I give them the heat, oh. I'm giving them everything, oh. I'm living my life, I don't chop money. I don't testimony. My testimony, my testimony, my testimony. I don't chop, I don't testimony. I don't testimony. Now my testimony, my testimony, my testimony. I don't chop, I don't testimony. I don't testimony. Hey! I see me say I don't blow. Some people they bubble. I continue the struggle they drop on my hustle. I see me say I don't blow. Some people they bubble. I continue the struggle, them drop on my hustle, yeah. I'm giving my testimony, yeah. I'm killing them and I give them the heat, oh. I'm giving you everything, oh. I'm living my life, I don't chop for money. I don't testimony. I'm giving my testimony, yeah. I'm killing them and I give them the heat, oh. I'm giving them everything, oh. I'm living my life, I don't testimony. I don't testimony. Hey, hey. Now my testimony, my testimony, my testimony. I don't talk, I don't testimony. I don't testimony. Thank you. Testimony. Thank you very much.
And Soma, Adum TV. The best one. Say one baby bibia or yena na ma ba be na edu say this ana. Oma judges in your business no why. Na bibia aye come. And Soma, Adum TV. Great. Inti yanko judges no na yenti or more comments for performance we Akawa.
Bema, I just say.
I'm going to now say.
Let me do me who you. Maybe costumes, you know.
Thank you very much.
It's on point, 1 and 2. I think that whatever you're doing, piano, don't try to outdo yourself. Because I don't try. I want you to do more, but don't try to impress. What I say? I feel you have a very fine, smooth voice. My name is Ebia. If you are trying to imitate Ebia, send your money or video, Nimone, Bibia, Nebia, I will see you so obey. Me per performance, no, me per attitude, Nibiano. I am only talking about your voice. I like your voice so much, and maybe Betty and the name is Meti, sa voice not a Biametino. But I say it sounded very different because Abia, you are trying to imitate them. I like your performance. Don't misquote what I'm saying. Maybe your performance, no. Everything you did on stage, I love it, but voice, no, don't imitate. Use your own voice and sing the songs.
Okay.
What do you say? You know why I did.
Thank you very much.
All right.
Nice.
Yanko Andy Dostio.
Hello, Daniel.
Yes, uncle.
Yeah. Okay. But Daniel, you sing very well.
Thank you very much.
Me who video be I'm say Kwame Eugene Yumbi, and you did very, very well.
Thank you very much.
So I think so we are overconfident. The me observation okay, and we are one. At a point in time, now flat it. Okay? You are a very good singer, no doubt about it, but overconfidence near her drink. I can't have face so. As an asana, I order and you now out one. It's baby, I know also when the crown where who band name out signal no some person wending still nice a crown or walk. Tibatriano check his idea. Right. Right.
Bounsam Kesepa, Emma Daniel. Opeso keep it Daniel, our competition more. You know what to do. You phone on the ball *713*208#. On all networks, now I follow prompt no. Now I vote the amano. And pendudo bia. Obey me, I vote the amano. Na so you know, one doors with the ama. This is I check a cranny at the answer. Asan. Mom say my Daniel. And I make a chum say, I can't put the vote in the zone. I'm going to vote to say, yes, I'm a buyer. Well, I'm 100, need 200 in the bar. Because one, the offices of breakfast on the cheap. And Suma, Adum TV. Some of my one, the doors I need to know. My main commercial breaking bra. The bar near the car to us. And come maybe. Sign Abba, Yadama system of Jibrema na Yaji Yabwa for Enkrato. Yatwa Jumedinos Way and Soma Season 4 live on Adum TV. Professor Bekan Juan said that Mekano, your fantasy dome, our treat fair site. Make sure say every Sunday be no me and Sapepe, no Bekan Juan, no 9 near them live our Adum TV so near the Jumedino Ashicheso. Sabrede, Yeshe na your next contestant no or no so the honor their brain. Pacho. Now we see an anatade shenono if he Doris Day collection omo ewo ashalibutri omo no mashana tade fefe kama enum our de brain if he Angelique Kijo enchen nenum awatu din batonga yem fan sembo kese pa any day yo and welcome on stage Insura Akoto.
Hello Ghana, for some morning some Baba Tony Mama Minyaji, into me share the Church of Pentecost for Madina for Ashama for Nana Chrome for me mammy Oton for Nana Chrome. And will be beer, me Papa Bogan, me mammy Messi. Me patro as a more person who keeping me in the competition. I move voting mammy Miss Ramos say competition and why dainty Monkoswana move voting mammy in Shuma. Yes, you're right.
Oh,
Bonsam Kasiapa. Bonsam. Asuma. Hey. Makacha mo say, Sadia we, you know, yan Sabium. So what I say. Until during the performance, na bibi na be na edu say be say na mo be say na. Oh, yes, some baby. Why? We do you know acknowledge say then na mo pese mo show bibi say obon ho modern ti mo be appreciate no but aya na mama ya hwe na bibi anso etimi akoyi. Me da wase say what ya say sa insha ko chen kakra na fi. Yen to aso. Ensoma Adom TV. Ya wa zo yampa ba kunsu ni. Ti yanko judges no na inti di omo kan. Andy.
Yes. Isha.
Yes, Dad.
It is.
Yes, Dad. Osre.
Oh, my penny dudu. Isha.
Yes, Dad.
Oh.
Opa san ka bi yes, Dad. Na no reka.
Ayo min ka bi. Oh, I. Okay. Emi ya say. Enkofo wa bebre nhyeda nim enwum na auto ye no. If omunim how powerful the song is, any voice I would have to nwum ni sisi a ho. Hey. I mean metianum every pray to me masasa. You have done very well.
Thank you very much.
In fact, I'm sorry I'm Marati. I dear. Great job.
Thank you very much.
Great job. Yeah.
Yanko akwabwa ho.
Asia.
Yes, Dad.
Just often now, Miss Mia. I like your costume.
Thank you very much.
Send your kind, you know. I always say, one I am who's a water numa, a rubber sembi womb. Like, oh, when you send your bed to the send your bed and from vocal to everything is on point.
Thank you very much.
And Isha, Chena, Ayana, oh, Aduma Omode aka ho amayen so no. All right. Ensoma. Me nye judge nti aya na comments ni bi ho no mo a metimi na meti bibi wa chiri ho pa timi san bete de mo ka won e ka won na aka ba ko ana muzu ampa sa be penalty ye to adwumadi no so yan fast that kese ma Young Vita say kan cho say those days now o ma bo fana aduane a na da ne say mo bo akutukubo no atwam isan say ne Young Vita nti obedidi a kama asa gibia dia kan obi afa Pure Delight biscuit was it every bite is such a delight and a cowbell our milk afa yan fast that do ma 5-star fruit juice and soft drinks na fa Franco Trading Enterprise fun papa if you Smart Up Beverages, or say think smart drinks, Smart Up drinks, and I feel Valido Spices, or say ma aduane eye de ankasa. Ye don mu nyina se omo kan ho abreni na ewo and Stroma Jumedi so. Ye move straight into action. Now your next contestant and also the one or the abraham. Na hu sie no efi eye Black Thread amo ewo eye Domi Old Station. Na performing for us. And more the brain. Yvonne Chaka Num, our two dean, Unkomoti, Sanum no. You better say the BC Aquafa. Young fan Semboke Sepa, and we're coming on stage. Lady Theodora Pascal.
Hello, Ghana 4. And you made me cheer. Me and my papa, Reverend Desmond, out the Life Faith Baptist Church, I know. My uncle Ernest, our tipa driver, Ewoko BT. My uncle Eben, our take casa of Uncle Yoko Town Juma. My papa, and now say my papa Chrome for the Pascal family, our more company na. Jache Funny na. And now, Black Thread, I'm a Pamatadia, mam, and me, I'm a mammy. Ma Joyce awo UK and a Ghana phone na me damasi se de bia mu voti mame mon kosa na mu voti mame instruma yes
Umma samin kom boti Umma samin boti Umma samin kom boti Umma samin kom boti
on some, Emma Lady Theodora. Soma, Adum TV. Akawa.
Lady, you're the same. You're the Nyamiasi. I keep saying, sir, Eba, I find it very hard to judge you because you know what you are doing. You sing good.
Thank you.
You know how to perform.
Thank you.
I mean, your costume is on point.
Thank you.
Intimidation can oh yeah, there.
Thank you so much.
But they back one, but and we here make any vote no. Oh, see a cheska near the chow honey and fan vote here. But you will be few more mama can say me and ma kusiana.
And that's where they are, you be.
Oh yeah, the mission.
Thank you.
All right, the uncle, Andy Dostio.
Hello, lady. Let's sing.
Yes, Dad.
Right. That's why you're free, Yako.
Bra, they are. Oh, buy a crowd, me introduce me, bra, penny. Yeah, they are.
Okay, so, what a nice voice.
Thank you.
Yes, and on him, you know, so to pa.
Thank you.
You know, and I want to so words snippy, lyrics snippy, and it's very, very good.
Thank you.
Now, South Africans no say almost they dance with energy. It's in Yami Aduma next time biano. So what samba now perform your monuma. Yeah, the can show all moves nekakra. The woman say, oh try nice moves, but for anodin kakra rim. And I did back so I'm here and say, so oh perform it now person band ni jai. And I person mu change and na BB but they answer be signal at a point in time now person ujai. But not still a band neighbor until say, oh yeah, action no ma bandsmen no call. And I said they got in sync with what you were doing. It's about your next time, I know I check this out then. Why? But you're a good performer. Thank you.
Okay. I'm say ma Lady Theodora. And Soma. Your Francha Emma and Soma hima. Aha, on there. 24/7 with Gina Musa. And I was afraid Nana Akosua Ejapoma Ati Mokwa Jasihima. Nana also. And I was sepa. Nafe and Chasonko and call Emma Sister Equia One Ukunu Master Anthony aka Tony Blair. Nyanti and say more for Jumadi in the agrocra. Chese. Some would see TV no one share ni. Yami Shamo said Moja Bre na Monso Moshe Jumadi bring in na. Ya twa Jumadi no so. Na the woman say and then Kezia I do last week best performer basketball on the nyae. Enti o bibi sonko e de man. Eti hwe animu kwan say o de be brain. Na fe so no ene performances no say de asi e no. Sen e na hunu no. Why now so say best performer basketball no ono na ibenya ene. Why so ena best costume na hu siesie no. Osusu say ekọ yie pa ono so betimi anya sa basketball no. Na fe ne krakra no. Why ne why ena ibeja omo kwan efi competition mu ene. Ni nyina e baso sesi a ewa bra ye jinkra totew na fe ye de ato anim. Eti enko ba bia ene entena ya. Ensroma Adum TV. Ye ba sesi a na ya to aso. Right up with for your sign Emma Akwaba about Adum TV so. And Soma Jumedi and a Guso I de Abraham Shan say we and Soma season 4. Na sisi idea I cut 2 performances na and there you who said Jumedi be see Akwafa. Kianeke and there mo friend be why you be John Mokwan FP competition no emu. Votino. Inti Inyamaya Memra *713 *208 hash. On all networks. Now a vote my favorite contestant no and yes idea eviction basso and chibia sanso and a better wine and our best performer basketball no obinya wine so and enya best costume and talking about costume I mean fast that can say Mahabil's couture or more a East Legon or more away dringano Villa David in Shenimua and I'll be home. Omona Pam, dear Shemi, kama, Eddie Ashemi, Edomwa Siepa. Now, for your fast, I can say, Ma, Yemiaba, Sister Harriet, on a Millicent, Omo Bojuma, on a makeups, no, Omucha de Mamma Frano, Yopo, neat, kama, pa, Edomwa say, Nasty Dion, Nana and Kroma, on Sweden Siepa, and the final one, Obeko Ama, Akable, and the Whitechapel Band. Your fans and Boke Sepa, and Mom na, Omo Elbojuma. After you moving straight into action. Your next contestant now, Obano. Atade e no Effie James Fashion, omo ewo Adenta. Na enyum out the airbrain, Falling in Love by Chidema. Yamfa and Sambo Kese pa. Yamfa and share enim kwan. Sir Anita enim e perform ya man.
Hello Ghana for and then you may so maybe more performance for floor. And to Mr. and Amponsa, I was so a community. Mr. Isaac Osayaba, financial controller, Blessing God Bibiani. Mr. Ankra Bibiani, Desdam Bibiani, Solani Global Limited, Durang 370 Enterprise, Nana Sompa, Bibiani Drone Funina, the whole Western North region, Munina, Monsna Sinama, and Shroma. Yes, right.
Adom TV. Yanko ye judges away. Na yintie de omo kafa. Eye Anita performance you. And then uncle.
Yeah, uncle crying.
Okay. Open father no.
Anita.
Da.
Hi. Okay, uncle one.
Yes, uncle.
Okay. O costume here for pa.
Thank you.
But you want eh?
Jane's fashion.
Pa. Who have very good voice.
Thank you.
And now, stage presence, no, you're very, very daring.
Thank
I like
you.
it. But you how many years?
Pachamo 13.
13. Okay, so 13, me feel say, who are near the performances nibi, right?
Pacha.
And then, utie wa mwa, me sure say, said the omotonyo studio ni totally different from performances. Eti me hunu say, niyama mu hunu no, mo try say mo imitate. So wahu. Now, otonyo no me hu say o flat sa ad-libbing. Oh yeah, yeah, ad-libs near there. Time my backups no, backing vocals no, you were busily doing the ad-libbing and oh yeah no, now what titi one chain. Me feel so correct here a year.
All right.
Why? Because a voice need a year pa. Nice voice.
Thank
All
you.
right. Yanko Akwawao.
Mr. Mekasa, I beg to differ. On Shenyumbia, Masa. Voice in here. For some reason, I like the voice one.
Thank you.
On Shenyumbacho. I like the voice. I like the costume.
Thank you.
I think say baby I will free no musical term no. On say o free na oko no. Information e was say free team de ba minimum order to nyom na e wo so. E no asem no work no. What you say? Me na be chasi ono a rapper me a singer.
Right, any be kwa no my rap ba ko ne dia so.
Yeah, so. It's you know the more I free na oko ba no. You don't explain it well. And now my voice echo up and down, up and down. What sometimes when you're dancing and singing, be mindful. That's all he's trying to say. What he has said, but I think you did a great job. Why are they?
Thank you.
All right, it's Koswa. Now Evotima Anita Anim star 713 star 208 hash. Some can some mum from Manamoye, you know. We need a better day. Okay, it's Yatwa Jumedino. As we are fast, I can say, kudos pharmacy on my by malarial suspension. Unya bi mabo frana na chese baby adu kama pa fe so yan fast day di oma Aseda fabrics fabrics dey masa A1 or say where what will inspire you Samsung as day di yan fama Big Maron Pharmacy the mind Infavi feminine wash kama pa Indomie unim that tastes great almost so say that is good Kellogg's or say breakfast time is Kellogg's time DBS Industries or say roofing papa fie Samsung and a delay yogurt more, I need more. And a Valido spices or say ma eduane yede ankasa. Afena yeshe de Kezia edu ewode mayen. Last week, on the best performer Abasobono. Na Yamana Konya say on choose from any of the finalists in the previous editions na seasons no. Na ochusi obi o person on the performing eye Abba Afrima. And then on no performing Jerusalem, Master KG, and na who sees no na tade na ehye no Trillis fashion omo chifo praso and omo apam e de ahye no yemfa de yo and nsemboke and welcome you Mrs.
Hello Ghana for Central Region for Chief Wetimokwa for the Church of Pentecost plus Matidis Basic School. Me papa, Chairman Hakim Ade, me mama, Margaret Na, and me uncle, a boy Scotto, me teacher, Colapello, Stargate Multimedia, and Obu family phone na. The Slamo say, Munji Breno Munsheme, na Kensi no Mede, send a bear met me a can Kensi no. And Shuma, yes, shrink.
Bonsam Kasiapa, bonsam. Aha. Ebrenio, enti wenu yanyano real quick. Sharp. Now, yentie yan judges unafi, yan fa the control. Pacho obi antinase at this point. Obi antinase nafi yan ko yan judges no. Enunti akwa be shase amai. Akwa shase amai.
What is it?
I channel swear.
Namia Domboko. I say, when you're in a competition, your choice of songs is very, very important.
Thank you.
And you now offer with the co-competition, you know, and I think say you made a good choice with the song. The way I think say the way I will pick up from Asia, I know say you have a very low voice. I will pick up if it is a say a whole chikakra. But Ubermu, come on. And at the way I'm too high and the lady no, it was on point. I like the duet.
Thank you.
But the way I would do when you on stage.
Thank you.
Keep it up.
Thank
you. Oh yeah, there's a mission.
All right, yada akwabwase, yaba call Andy Dusty hona yaje ono so ne comment.
Right, Kezia.
Daddy.
Good.
Andy, Daddy no dey fatisa why?
Good performance. Because I knew we ye na yetin for ni enim say be man na eto. Said ye u lower key and a lower tone u peja ya the course no. Good job. Good job.
Thank you.
Now, me will request back up Patch organizers of Nstroma. Can we bring Abba back?
Yes.
Because around the full stage, you know, only no, I don't know why no exceptional. But Patch Mummy Renian Fabam back here, Pamucho. Nice. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Hey. Daddy na request kakaka or the abasi there. Hey, Daddy.
You'll be on Kaso.
All right. Nstroma, Adom TV. If I try my hand, Dina, I feel a serious business. I do so. Enti contestants ni na no momra stage no so mama na fe ye hwe na ye mfa de ho no enhye so we entwa ho matisi ye toa so sharp ye ba be hwe best performer wan na enya sa abasobo no ene dey na fe nso no best costume ekọ e de ama hwan then de aya na emu aye din no hwan ana hwan ena ebe kofi ehon de edu a Obiniyam. And then the BCBC. Enti yehwe na fe mensa kan sa information na ye de ahye so no. Ye fast that can say Emma Young Vita or say enei abofra na didi no. Enyam tokwa bi abiem Young Vita be man didi kama pa. Na fe pure delight biscuit. Every bite is such a delight. Sounds like cowbell, our milk. 5-star fruit juice and soft drink. And our 5-star kids juice. Or see, you can feel it. Franco Trading Enterprise. Phone papa efie you don't want to say. And our Smart Up Beverages. I say think smart, drink Smart Up drinks. You don't want to say omo eka ho na ye de dwumedi ebro ewo eye Adom TV. So we and Soma season 4. Now se sia de baby edu no. Judges na keka ne mabom. Na ye hwe the best costume onya na fi best performer the ono so ebinya na the den no tie ne de baby amigina ha yi enya ya na chese ayi ane me na me kro no okwadu mbika cause say eye na me yes ayi ni we na nkola na yes na no krenya me ni ya na makoma mentimi oh but ekadwuma no den a ese yitimi ede ehhehye so mo a mo hwe yen ewo eye YouTube mo a mo hwe wo Facebook mo so a mo follow dwumedie no on Instagram ne Twitter TikTok ne de ka hu ni na all our social media platforms ni na no yeda mo nyina so we appreciate you sir bring nyina no mo ka wona mo joining the conversation yeda mo asepa nyame hia mo ba bibia mo abrochefo no se mo fa dwumedie ni agro kra Adom TV eda mo nyina ase enti yenye emenye tenten sisi ababi edu no Mauli meni bresa anti no yen kantum preko na fi yesi sotra ebe ono no agire ntem na why free but enne no mofra ni na ya de ana mu ne sen obi aya de pa nanso mintimi nya ne said the last week me yen sentisa yen san kono da bi enne de eden a yes kianeke ese obi etimi eko enti yeyi best costume nafi yewia best performer yeyi ononso epanifo keka niam nyina ebom no enne de onya best costume abasobo no ekoma Lady Theodora Pascal. Mama Monsamano. Aha. Enti Lady Achede Ayekrado. Yewie ya na wamasoboko. Edi Kofi. Lady Theodora. Na fei best performer abasobono. Ononso. Oli. I don't know. And best performer, Abasobono. Ekoma, Francisca Adom. Mama Monsama Francisca. Great. Enti, Mr. Bebre, ahanye dini antwaso ebrenisa. Mr. Mwa eye mama antwaso. Enti, said the da no Francisca. Ye babe yi finalists no of the previous seasons no. Enti bomodian se obehwe omo. Na wa choose obi a nyame adom a next week. One no ebe performing. Enti pacho yen hwe ne sesi a.
We are brothers and sisters, one family, one Ghana. Yeah, sir. Oh, Ghana. Adom TV, the shining stars. We are one people, one family, one Ghana. Yeah, sir. Oh, Ghana. Adom TV, the shining stars.
Francisca, me pacho wa hwe wi. Enti wo hu obi a nyame adom a next week no be performing. Okay. Francisca, why not next week no be performing? Mamenko Francisca ho. Mamenko Francisca ho. Mamem round chain eja. O de mi amedi mbe me kakra. Why now say next week no be performing? Ashley Chooks. And then Yami Aduma next week on no ebe performing. And no pacho yes and France and Bobby Emma Francisca Adum. Okay. Enti afei ya wie ni say ye no. Afei na obi ni yam. Obi ni yam. Hey. I'm here time no. Oh. Mauli. Time na so nti yenko. Enti yeguso na no. Yeda cowbell for ase pa. Yam Vita for nso yeda mo ase. Sanso na Pure Delight biscuit yeda mo ase. Yeda aye 5-star fridges for ase. Franco Trading Enterprise yeda mo ase. Smart Up beverages. Almost yeda mo ase ye pa. Kellogg's nso yeda mo ase. Delay yogurt yeda mo ase. Valido spices yeda mo ase. Asida fabrics. Mo ankra de mudina asida dada. Mo nso yeda mo ase ye pa. Omo mo nso yeda mo ase. DBS Industries monso yeda mo ase ye pa na asda enkoma eye Habil's Couture matadi omno pamame fefefe kama yeda mo ase ye pa yeda Sister Harriet ni Millicent ase for the makeup ni ade and afin so eye crew ni nyina asda kese enkoma mo MCR na fe camera lights yeda mo nyina ase na fe so eye nana nkroma ena Akable and the Whitechapel Band. You the mama me yemu me papa. Mama mencha me grandmother Matthew. Or say I study in me yes and I BBO but SME ya. Okay. Enti ene their eviction. Afano. Okofi. Precious. Embre. Onona and unfortunately, Ofi competition. Pacho momo munsemano. Why ya dear pa to have come this far and ye easy sir. Momo munsemano. Why ya dear pa. Abusia ya damunyina say nyame ya adom next week Sunday. Ya besa no ehia no 9 pepepe na eginam e wa Adom TV so na ye den stroma dwumade abramo. Yada munyina ase Precious memra onche na memetwa ha kakra why are there okona edin but wakopa nyame onsha abusia from Jerry Justice on behalf of the crew yada munyina ase nyame adom a next week Sunday ye be sign ene munyina ahia e wa Adom TV so biem nyame sha munyina
abuafo a omuta ye chibene cowbell